Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel. So before you watch this part 3 of project 3, please watch the part 1 and part 2 of this video, which is given in the description. So in this video I am going to show you how to convert the snowflake schema into star schema. The difference between snowflake schema and star schema is that, so here if we consider this one as the facts table, so some of the tables are indirectly connected to the facts table, so those are called as dimensions table. In the star schema, all the dimensions tables will be directly connected to the facts table. So in order to do that one, what we need to do is we need to join two tables by using full outer join, where all the rows from the both the tables will be joined fully and shown there. Finally you will be having only one facts table, and remaining tables which will be connected to the facts table will be dimensions table. So in order to join any two tables, there should be a common column between the both the tables. So initially I am going to join this product category text table and product categories table. So the common column between both of them is product category ID. So in order to do that one, so go to the transform data, click on transform data. So once the Power Query editor opens, all the tables will be listed on the left hand side. So whatever we make changes to the table, so on the right hand side applied steps will be there. So we need to join both the tables, that is product ID, product category text table and product categories table first. So for that one we need to select the product categories and go to the merge queries option, and merge queries as new means a new table is going to get created by joining these two tables, that is the product categories and product category text. So click on the merge queries as new. So on the top you will be having product categories, and then below you need to select what table you need to join. I want to join the product categories text table, so click on that one, and this OK button will be activated only once you select the common column between both the tables. Here the common column between both the tables is product category ID. So click on the top product category ID column, press Ctrl Alt at a time and press the product category ID column in the below table. Now the OK button will be activated. Once you click on, so before you click OK, you need to select what kind of join you want. So here you will be having different types of joins: left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti. So if you select the left outer join, all from the first matching from the second will be shown as rows. If you select a right outer, all from second table will be selected with matching from first table, and those will be shown. If you select full outer join, all the rows from both the tables with matching or without matching will be shown, that is joined. So if you select inner join, only matching rows will be joined. If you select left anti, rows only in the first table will be joined. If you select right anti, rows only in the second table will be joined. So now I am going to select the full outer join, where all the rows from both the tables will be joined and shown in the new table. So click OK. So once you click OK, it will be showing as merge one as new table. So now here it is shown with the product category text table. So click here, as there is no error, validity is 100%. So whatever columns you want, you need to select them. Now I don't need product category ID because it is already present. created by is already present, create date is already present. I will be selecting only language and the short description. Click OK. So now totally 5 columns will be there. One is the common column, product ID. So now I am going to rename this one as, that is by clicking, right clicking on that table, rename to, so product categories and text table. Product categories and text table. As the new table which is joined has been created now, so one has been created successfully. That is, we have joined the product categories and product category text. Now if you go and close and apply, so the product categories and text is being loading to the desktop. So if you look at here, the product categories and text table has been added on the top. So now we need to delete the previous 2 tables, that is product category text and product categories table, because we have merged the both the tables and have finally brought the product categories and text table. So the table is going to get deleted. And after that, product categories table, delete. Okay. So now drag this one to here and connect the product categories and text table which has been joined to the products table. So here the common thing here is product category ID and product category ID again. So a relation has been formed successfully. Now, so we need to join these 2 tables again. So click on the link. So product ID is the common column between the products table and products text table. Now again go to the transform data. So now we need to join the products and the product text table. So click on products table and go to the merge queries. Merge queries as new. So products table has been appeared. Now in the below table, products text table should be selected. The common thing between these 2 tables is the product ID column. So select that one and Control Alt at a time with left click of your mouse on the product ID of the product text. Now again full outer join I am going to use. So click OK. So if you come here, so you will be having product text table. So in that you need to select something. So as product ID is already present, no need of that one, and remaining things it will be displaying. Now I am going to rename this one as products and product text table. Products and product text table. Now close and apply. So now products text and products text new table are loading to the Power BI desktop. Now we need to remove the products and the product text table, and only products and product text table should be there, which is joined. So if you look at here, the products and product text table has been added. Now that is joined. So delete this product text table, previous one, before joining table. So deleted. Now this also, products table also delete. Okay. So that one also successfully deleted. So drag that one. So if you look at the link, so that is a relation between those two, that is based on the product category ID. So drag this one to the left hand side. And if you look at here, so drag this sales order. So again we need to join these two tables in order to connect this one, that is sales order items. So there should be a common column between them. So here if you look at here, so product ID is present here, product ID is present here, but here product category ID, and again we need to join these two tables now, that products and product text and product categories and text table. So again transform data, that is Power Query editor will be opened. Now these two should be joined. So click on the product categories and text. So click on the merge queries as new. So select below one as products and product text, and the common thing between the both is product category ID. So select the full outer join. So click OK. One product category ID is enough. Now deselect that product ID. So from this so except product ID, select all those things. So now remove the other two, that is rename first this one to the product categories and texts and products. So now close and apply. So the newly joined table has been created. So delete both these tables now, no need of them, because we have joined those two to a new table. So click OK. So this table also we need to delete. Okay. So now drag this one to here and expand this one. So if you go below, you will be having a plus and minus option, that is zoom out and zoom in. So if you look at here, so here I am having a product ID. So that one I am going to drag to here. Now connect product ID to product ID of the sales order items. So one to many has been shown. So now similarly we need to do for other tables also. Here we need to join the all the tables in order to connect to the facts table. So now the relation between these two depends upon the address ID. So we need to join this employees table and the addresses table. So here we are not having anything else more than that. So that is based on that address ID. We have connected both the employees table and addresses table. So what we shall do is that so we shall transform data again, that is by using the joins. So click on the address, merge queries as new. So select the employees table. So address ID is common here. So click on the address ID, full outer join. Okay. So address ID I don't need. Again, validity and start data, end data both are common in the both the tables. So the empty things will be shown with them. Yes, okay. So rename this one as addresses and employees table. So 54 distinct, 54 in a queue. So close and apply. So if you look at here, so we got the table that is addresses and employees table, that is a newly created table. So that is by joining the addresses and employees table. So bring that one to the other side. So that is by dragging and dropping. So now what we shall do is we shall remove, that is we shall delete this employees table and addresses table. So similarly delete the addresses table also, because we have joined both of them. Click OK. So if you look here, so now we need to form a relation between these two tables now. So based on the address ID itself we shall do that one. So now a relation will be found between the both of them. Again now we need to join these two tables now, business partners and address and employers. So finally this will be the facts table and remaining things will be dimensions tables. So now what we shall do is that, so here as we are having a partner ID, so here we are not having any address ID, right? So so we shall join these two. So that is a business partners and address and employees table. So transform data. So this is the business partners table. We are going to join with this addresses and employees table, and go to the merge queries again, merge queries as new. So select the addresses and employees table. So here we need to select the address ID, and here address ID, control alt at a time. So full outer join, click OK. To the last. So okay, so now address ID no need, because we have one common to both of them, and remaining things we need. So now the table will be visible. So nulls it is showing means at that place those will be null, but remaining places according to the address ID, so those will be shown there. So now rename this one as business partners and addresses and employees. So now what we shall do is, so this is the very first column in this dimension table, so all should be unique, that means the distinct, so it should not be containing any duplicate. So remove duplicates, right click on that one, partner ID, and remove duplicates. So 41 distinct, 45 unique, so close and apply. So the new table is going to load. So now delete this address and employees table. Okay, and delete this business partners table. So now drag the new table which has been created, so that is business partners and addresses and employees table to other end, so that is to connect to the facts table. Yes, here partner ID is there, so partner ID to partner ID. So that is the thing. So and now we need to join these two tables now. So in order to join these product categories and text table with sales order items, so go to the transform data again. So we need to join this product categories and text table with the sales order item. So go to the merge queries as new. So select product categories and text, because lot many of columns were there. So product ID is the column common thing. So sales order items. So this one with the product ID. Of the sales order items, full outer join. Okay. So go to the end and click on that table and deselect the product ID. So click OK. So all the tables will be loaded now. So now right click and rename it to product categories and text under sales order items. So now close and apply. So now you can delete this table, because the newly joined table using these two tables has been created. And now delete this one. So now bring these two to the here. So enlarge that one. So here also you are having partner ID, right? So you can connect to that one. Yes, so this is the thing. So in the next video we shall show some visualizations. So kindly subscribe to this one. Thank you so much.